Hey guys, welcome back to the KIR YouTube channel and to another Shat review of KIR Cars. The new age 2020 2JZ engine and 2020 Supra. Best car Toyota ever built. Changed my mind. And it's got a 2JZ. Kinda. Made by BMW in a KIR car. Whether it's the best car Toyota built or not, it's probably one of the best looking cars Toyota ever built. As far as I'm aware, it's the fastest production line Toyota actually ever built. This thing is spicy. We're gonna give you a little bit of a walkthrough, a drive, and give you a closer look. This is actually our current giveaway car. It is live for one more week. So if you haven't already got your entries in, 1 week left, head over to keepreet.com.au, get some entries in, don't miss out, or become a member. And then you're in the chance to win all these KIR cars. Alright, starting with one of my favourite parts, the exterior. Have a look at this thing. They just don't make new cars like this anymore. She's sitting pretty on them Shockworks coilovers, fully custom kitted out. The first of its kind here in Australia. Shockworks coilovers, absolutely spicy, best coilovers you can put on a car. And of course, we got them Panasport G7 wheels, rare as Falcon, discontinued, expensive as Falcon. You got all the clout when you're driving this thing. Got a full carbon fiber lip kit on this thing. Ooh, that's spicy. Ooh, you like eat dinner off those wheel arches. That's spicy. Moving around, my favourite part about the car, the rear end. That is the fattest booty I've ever seen. And I love fat booties. Look at it. Of course, you got more carbon fibre. We got a $6,000 HKS variable exhaust that works with the sport mode still. And we got this KIR carbon fibre duck built thing, spoiler. Really just sets off this rear end. It's insane. These taillights, they're sick. But I wouldn't want to hit them against the wall while you're drifting. But I'm pretty sure they're expensive as Falcon. I reckon we'll pop the hood. I reckon it's pretty sick how the hood is like a part of the wheel arch. That's racy. Check it out.
You said it was a 2J, yeah?
Yeah, so this is the modern day 2JZ. You wait.
It popped the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
There's no actual way.
What do you mean? Ooh, it's got a Toyota badge on it, but it's a BMW motor. So just like the 2JZ, this is a 3-litre turbo inline 6 engine and makes hectic power. From the factory, I think they make like 285 kilowatts to the crank. This thing has been tuned up to 290 real kilowatts. All the torque you can think of. Definitely like the modern age 2JZ, inline 6, turbo, like I said, single turbo. It's got a 4-inch dump pipe on it. It's pretty keen. Overlay a 2JZ exhaust manifold at them, and it actually looks real similar to that.
John, don't put that in.
What do you mean? Like just put it here, like the thing, and it's the same thing. We are in the race car. Same with the cockpit. Got this beautiful suede BMW steering wheel with the Toyota emblem on it. So we got the shifter here. You're down into drive, electric handbrake, and then oof, flicker across the manual. Now we got the paddle shift.
And it goes red because you're in sport mode.
If we take it out of sport mode, the exhaust quietens a little bit. Chuck her in sport mode, adds an extra 1,000 RPM. This goes red and this goes red, and it's like, you're ready to race. Shows you red here because it's the only red you're ever going to see, because you ain't going to be looking at any taillights. They're going to be looking at yours. Because of this fancy screen here, you can like view absolutely everything. It's like a full F1 team inside of your car.
Yeah, you can get it up so it has like kilowatt and torque, so you can see where your peak power is.
Sport displays.
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, power and torque. All right, we're about ready. This thing's insane.
Ridiculously smooth.
Yeah, it's got an 8-speed transmission, and how fast it shifts is just uncomprehendable. Yeah, it will drop it back a couple, slow down a little bit. Oh wow!
The exhaust is a nice level. It's loud enough to enjoy in here.
Yeah.
But it's like perfect for street.
It's not
very loud.
It's not screaming pull me over like some of the cars we give away.
Like we can cruise through mountain towns at school time.
And no Karens are going to be screaming at us. Hey! After it! Give it a couple of clicks down. And get a bit loose. This thing's so spicy. Look, we got seat warmers cranking right now. Our asses are hot. Driving a hot ass car.
It just keeps pulling. It just doesn't stop.
Nah, there's no end to it. You can just keep going up gears and it'll just keep you sucked back in your seat. It's quite the driver experience. Oh, never get sick of that. Alright, we're gonna head back to the factory. We'll chuck Adam in the driver's seat and get his review.
And give your opinions on Jassie's filming.
I'm a videographer. Oh, how do you hold a camera still?
This is like one of the very few modern cars that I feel like I could throw around a corner.
Yeah. Oh,
Probably due to the shockwork suspension, yes.
ooh, shockwork suspension. Cheeky plug.
Cheeky plug.
Definitely hooks to the road like nothing. Nothing else. Where are the Skylines at? Let's eat some Skylines. We need the number plates. Skyline eater. GDR killer.
It just has so much torque, so even that was from 2000.
Yeah.
But
Doesn't really matter what gear you're in, you can just punch it.
oh, I love it. It's hard to not smile. I don't smile a lot, Jesse.
Do you think the winner's going to be smiling at him?
Oh, surely.
Do you think the people watching this should get a ticket?
100%. Get a ticket for me,
Yeah.
so I can buy it off you.
Slide in our DMs and I'll pay you to enter in the giveaway and we'll keep it on the hush.
It's just so easy.
Yeah. As far as we were all concerned, like I'm sure a lot of you watching are the same, and you just think, you know, you got your Skylines and everything like that from the 90s, the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. You think, you know, that's it. Like, you're not really going to get a car like this built by Toyota or Nissan, but then they made this.
This feels
As a gift to us car enthusiasts.
This feels a lot more raw than the 35. The 35 just felt like a big.
Yeah. It
Big
felt
boat.
what most new cars feel like.
Yeah, whereas this, like, still feels like a new car, but I don't know, it just feels good.
Just wanted to point out, this phone charger. You can sit your phone there and it'll start charging.
It's like one of the coolest things.
It's so sick. I want it. I'm in love.
So do I.
So if you want to get your hands on this spicy 2JZ new age GDR killer car, head over to keepitreet.com.au. There's like 1 week left and your chances are insane. So jump on it or get yourself a membership. Start accumulating entries and go in the draw to win all these epic giveaways. Head over to keepitreet.com.au support the boys, support what we love doing, keeping drifting off the streets and bringing sick content to you guys. So head over, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button. I just spat. Help the YouTube algorithms. Let us know down in the comments below what you think of this car and your thoughts.
Let us know what you think of the Starlet.
Oh.
Ooh.